Some places don't just exist, they take your breath away. Paradise Cave in Quang Binh, Vietnam is one of them. The moment you step inside, the world changes. The air grows cooler, the light grows softer, and the silence feels alive. Giant rocks rise like ancient towers. Stalactites fall like frozen waterfalls. Stalagmites grow from the earth, slowly, patiently, as if time itself is building a hidden cathedral. Every wall, every shadow, every shape feels unreal. This is not just a cave. This is nature's art. Quiet, powerful, unforgettable.